Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make your pocket watch accurate using micro-regulating arm. I'm gonna use this Rolex pocket watch to show you this. The micro-regulator arm is this one here, this circle and this arm. If you see on the circle there are some dashes. Each 4 dashes means 1 minute in slow or 1 minute in fast, depends which way you're gonna rotate the circle. For example, if you have this pocket watch and the watch running fast for about a minute every 24 hours, you're gonna need screwdriver like this one, can be bigger. There is a place for the screwdriver here. I'm gonna place it there. If the watch running fast for about a minute, I need to turn right hand side this circle for 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4 dashes. So now the watch have to be accurate. For example, if the watch running slow for about minute or 2, let's say 2 minutes per every 24 hours, I'm gonna rotate the same circle, but I'm gonna rotate other way. I'm gonna place the screwdriver on the same place, and I'm gonna rotate other way for 8 dashes. I'm gonna try to show you this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dashes. This is gonna make this pocket watch to working very accurate. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you very much again and see you next time.